One of my favorite techniques for pelvic balancing is buckled sacrum dancing. In order to do this technique, there's a couple contact points that you're going to use with your hand. You're going to take your front hand and rest it underneath mommy's tummy, somewhere above where her pubic bone is. And the back hand is going to go on the back part of her tailbone. Now, as she becomes more and more pregnant towards the end of her third trimester, you'll actually feel her tailbone start to kick out a little bit, and that's exactly where you ought to want your hand. But if she's not quite there yet, what you're going to do is take your resting hand position, feel down her tailbone until her tailbone matches the shape of your curved hand. From that position, you'll just ask the mom to soften her knees a little bit so she's kind of in a little bit of a squat, a nice wide stance because she's going to be moving in a lot of different directions. Now, if you've danced before, you know there's a leader and a follower. And what you're originally going to do is you're going to start her off, maybe in circles, maybe in figure eights, maybe going side to side. Eventually what you'll find is that you don't need to be the leader anymore. She's going to be the leader. And what your job is to let her use your hands right there in her tailbone and right there in her belly to help unwind fascia in the abdomen, the hips, the sacrum, and the low back. This is an awesome one, as I said, for labor prep, but this is also a great one during labor if she's having some back pain. Sometimes babies can be positioned in a way that it gives the moms a lot of back labor. And so she may want to feel like she needs to go real deep with this, real big circles. Your job is just to follow and support when you're doing buckled sacrum dancing. As she starts to make her motions smaller and smaller, that's completing this little period of a cycle, and so that's when you know it's safe for you to remove your hands. But you don't want to just let her go before she gets into that smaller cycle. Fascia has a way of wanting to unwind, and it's really unkind to the body to drop it in the middle of an unwinding cycle.